So right here we have these JBL 520Bt wireless headphones, and they come in a box like this. And let's get right into the unboxing. We have it in this little pouch, as you can see here. Super nice. So here we have the headphones, as you can see. They got some soft cushion. They got some nice soft cushion here on the earpieces, as you can see. They can go out like this for comfort, and also bend in like this, turn around as you like. So it's easy for traveling and stuff like that, because it's a lot more space efficient, as you can see. So on the headphones themselves, we have a power button and we have these media buttons. This usually just makes the volume go up and down. It's like standard media buttons that will just turn up and down your media, whatever you have it bound to. And as you can see over here, we have the USB Type-C cable for it to charge. Really nice little cushion support up here as well. Really easy to move around and so. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. We have this pouch, of course. Then in here we have this little manual and the USB Type-C cable, as you can see. We also have a little quick start guide here and a product registration for the JBL app in the back there. Also within the app you can use like equalizers and stuff like that to make the sound quality a lot better. Also, let's get right into that. So let me just put these on real fast and listen to how they sound. So I just had the headphones on, and one thing I noticed is they're super comfortable with this cushion right here. And the sound quality is just astonishing for this price point. For this price point, it has very rich vocals, high end and low end. Overall, a really nice sound performance for this price range. So I definitely say they go on about. And it's a really good choice for something in this price range that still provides you with really good quality. So yeah, I definitely recommend these ones. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention, this is the on-ear design. So these will be on your ears, which is a preference, I guess. So they'll be on your ears, which is a preference for everybody, I guess. And also when you're making calls and stuff like that, it's really good quality too. The microphone, everything holds up well. For this price range, you will have enough performance for what you need. So yeah, some really nice headphones here, as you can see. I definitely recommend these ones.